Dear students, plant pathology paper or আজি lecture number 3. আজিৰ পেপাৰখনত বা ক্লাছটো তোমালোকে পঢ়িবলৈ পাবা about the history of plant pathology. So let's begin. Our ancient religious literature gives information on plant diseases much before they are mentioned by the Greek philosopher Theophrastus. So Greek philosopher Theophrastus মানে আমাৰ plant diseaseৰ ওপৰত যিখিনি ইনফৰমেশনস দিছে তাতকে খুব বহুত আগতে আমাৰ ইন্ডিয়ান ৰিলিজিয়াছ লিটাৰেচাৰত হেবিলাক এভেইলেবল আছিলে এটা কিছুমান ইণ্ডিয়াৰ এনশিয়েন্ট বুকস আছে যিবিলাকে প্লান্ট ডিজিজ আৰু প্লান্ট এনিমিজ বিলাকৰ বিষয়ে মেনশন কৰিছিলে যেনেকে ঋগবেদা অথৰ্বণবেদা অৰ্থশাস্ত্ৰ অফ কৌটিল্য Vishnu Puran, Agni Puran, etc. Eblag hoise kisuman ancient books. Okay? The book Vriksha Ayurveda, written by Surapal in ancient India, contain information on plant diseases. This is the Indian book which gave first information on plant diseases. Very important. Okay? So the Indian book which first provided information on plant diseases is the Vriksha Ayurveda. Tar pisor point to ahile, the Greek philosopher Theophrastus was the first to study and write about the diseases of trees, cereals and legumes. In his book Enquiry into Plants, so remember Enquiry into Plants kitabkhon kune likhisile? Theophrastus likhisile. There he recorded his observations, imaginations and experiences, but they were not based on any experiments. Okay? He had mentioned that plants of different groups have different diseases which are autonomous or spontaneous, that is, no external causes were associated with the plant disease. So, এই পইণ্টটো তোমালোকে মন কৰিবলগীয়া কথাটো হ'ল যে এই কিতাপখন কোনে লিখিছিলে The history in several aspects of plant pathology is given below. Okay? যেনেকে আমি ফাৰ্ষ্টত চাইলো mycology. Mycology মানে the involvement of fungi. It is the study of fungi. So আমি প্ৰথমতে ফাংগল ডিজিজ বিলাকৰ বা ফাংগল প্লান্ট প্যাথলজি খিনি বিষয়ে স্টাডি কৰিলাম এন্টন ভন লিভেনহফ ডেভেলপড দ্য ফাৰ্ষ্ট মাইক্ৰোস্কোপ ওকে তাৰ পিছত হু ইজ নোন এজ দ্য ফাদাৰ অফ মাইকোলজি P.A. Michelli okay he was an Italian botanist he is known as the father of mycology French botanist Tillet published a paper on bunt or stinking smut of wheat. He discovered bunt is a disease of wheat. French scientist I.B. Prevost showed bunt of wheat is a fungus and showed evidence that the disease is caused by microorganism. So lahe lahe to discover kori ahi ase. Tarpisot 1845 ot khub eta important mane globally known eta disease hoisile etu ase Irish potato famine. হেতু কোনে কজ কৰিছিলে ফাইটোফথোৰা ইনফেষ্টিছ নামৰ এটা ফাঞ্জাই কজ কৰিছিলে ইন পটেটো প্লান্ট ওকে আৰু এই বেমাৰটোৱে ইট কজড starvation of million and immigration of around 1.5 million people see its effects very high right তাৰপিছত J.G. Kuhn published first textbook in plant pathology very important first textbook in plant pathology কোনে He published korisile Kuhn 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 in 1858 ot aru kitabkhonor naam asile The Diseases of Cultivated Crops, Their Causes and Their Control. Tar pisot Anton D. Berry worked out the life cycle of potato lead blight. It is a type of disease and first to prove experimentally that Phytophthora infestans is the cause of potato lead blight. So lead blight of potato বেমাৰটো যে Phytophthora infestans এ কজ কৰে হেতু কোনে প্ৰুভ কৰিছিলে এন্টন ডি বেৰিয়ে He proved that fungi are causes but not the results of diseases. He is the father of modern plant pathology. So modern plant pathology father বুলি সুধিলে তোমালোকে কাৰ কথা ক'বা এন্টন ডি বেৰি তাৰ পিছত পেৰে মেৰি এলেক্সিছ মিলাৰ্ডেট accidentally discovered the Bordeaux mixture. So, আমি এনেকে ক'ব পাৰো যে who discovered the Bordeaux mixture and what is a Bordeaux mixture? It is a very significant fungicide and bactericide. Okay, Bordeaux mixture. আৰু এইটো discover কোনে কৰিছিলে মিলাৰ্ডেটে discover কৰিছিলে in 1885 A.B. Frank defined and named mycorrhizal associations in plant roots. Okay, mycorrhiza মানে হৈছে it is a type of association between fungi and the roots of higher plants আৰু সেই associationটোক mycorrhizaৰ নাম কোনে দিছিলে ফ্ৰেংকে দিছিলে Burgundy mixture was introduced by Masson of France তাৰ পিছত who is known as the father of modern plant pathology in India E.J. Butler আৰু তেখেতে কোনখন কিতাপ লিখিছিলে Fungi and Disease in Plants নামৰ কিতাপখন লিখিছিলে okay Sir Alexander Fleming isolated the antibiotic penicillin from the fungus Penicillium notatum very important pudi thake in 1929 Great Bengal famine 1943 it was caused in India due to Helminthosporium oryzae so tumalokok khudhibo name the pathogen that caused the Great Bengal famine in India the pathogen's name is Helminthosporium oryzae কেতিয়া হৈছিলে বেমাৰটো 1943 তাৰ পিছত সোৱাচোন B.B. Mundkur started Indian Phytopathological Society with its journal Indian Phytopathology তেখেতে এখন কিতাপ লিখিছিলে Fungi and Plant Diseases in 1949 আৰু এখন আছে ইণ্ডিয়াৰ সেকেন্ড প্লান্ট প্যাথলজিৰ কিতাপ E.C. Stockman and Herrer wrote a book Principles of Plant Pathology মনত ৰাখিবা নম্বৰ তাৰপিছত Planck found out vertical and horizontal types of resistance in crop plants আমি পিছত পঢ়িলে গম পাবা যে ৰেজিস্ট্যান্স দুই প্ৰকাৰৰ হয় প্লান্টছত vertical আৰু horizontal আৰু হেতু ডিস্কভাৰ কোনে কৰিছিলে প্ল্যাংকে Diseases of Crop Plants in India বুলি এখন কিতাপ আছে আৰু কিতাপখন লিখিছিলে জি ৰংগস্বামীয়ে 1972 ওকে এটা আমি চাও প্লান্ট ব্যাকটেৰিয়োলজি মানে diseases caused by bacteria Anton von Leeuwenhoek first observed bacteria in 1683 Louis Pasteur and Robert Koch they proved the anthrax disease of cattle was caused by specific bacterium okay cattle or anthrax disease to the bacteria cause korisile hetu discover korisile Pasteur and Koch tar bisot next point to very important hetu hoise Robert Koch of Germany described the theory called Koch postulates he established the principles of pure culture technique eta Koch postulate ki hoy tumaloke pisot pohibole paba just monot rakha je Koch postulate to kone disile it was given by Robert Koch in the year 1876 tar pisot bacteria transduction process to kune discover korisile Ginder and Lederberg in 1952 okay tar pisot TI plasmid in Agrobacterium tumefaciens was demonstrated by I. Jennen in 1974. Okay students, eta ami some viral disease bilakor bikhoy. Adolf Mayer described a disease of tobacco called tobacco mosaic. Mayer demonstrated the sep transmission of tobacco mosaic virus disease. আৰু তাৰ পিছৰ পইণ্টটো চাচোন it is important Dmitry Ivanovsky demonstrated that the causal agent of tobacco mosaic could pass through bacterial filter okay tobacco mosaic disease to describe কৰিছিলে Adolf Mayer তাৰ পিছত Dmitry Ivanovsky ক'লে যে tobacco mosaicৰ যেটো বেমাৰ কৰা যেটো এজেন্ট he bacterial filter diu pass hobo pare in 1892 tekhete koisile tar pisot M.W. Beijering a Dutch microbiologist and founder of virology so who founded virology Beijering proved that the virus inciting tobacco mosaic is not a microorganism tekhete kole je tobacco mosaic cause kora jitu entity that is the virus to eta microorganism nohoy boli koise তেখেতে কৈছে যে ভাইৰাছটো হৈছে এটা কন্টাজিয়াম ভাইভাম ফ্লুইডাম very important তাৰ অৰ্থ হৈছে infectious living fluid he was the first to use the term virus which is the Latin word for poison So this point is very very important. Okay, Stanley proved that viruses can be made of or as crystals, and hetu karone teo proof korar karone Nobel Prize paisile 1946 ত. Borden and Pyrie found that the crystalline nature of the virus contains nucleic acid and protein. Okay, virus to eta crystal boli koise aru crystallized form of virus ot ki thake nucleic acid thake aru protein thake. Okay students, so this was almost a summary of the history of plant pathology. So I hope that তোমালোকে points pur monot kori loisa, and jibilak khub important points asil hebilak তোমালোকে mark koriba, because questions genuinely khudha jay 1 mark questions pray ahe tar pora. So thank you very much, and we will come up with the next video lecture. Thank you.